Hi, my name is Bill Weaver, and I'm the Managing Partner at Focus Benefits Group in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I want to talk about self-funding. Now, normally when I do that, people's eyes roll back in their head and they get all confused, but it isn't really that complicated. First of all, let's talk about what insurance is. Insurance is all about the concept of you transferring risk that you have to an insurance company that you can't afford to pay for. Now, to talk about self-funding, let's talk about a health policy, because most people are familiar with those. Assume that you're spending $500 a month, and your policy has a $1,000 deductible per year. So if you went in the hospital, you would spend $1,000. This policy costs you $6,000 a year to get a $1,000 deductible. So instead of doing that, let's assume that you put $500 in the bank every month, but you took out $200 a month and sent it to the insurance company for a $3,000 deductible. You would be saving $300 a month, which is $3,600 a year. That's more than your deductible. Let's say that you didn't go in the hospital this year at all. So at the end of the year, you have $3,600 in the bank because you didn't use it. So when you got a rate increase from the insurance company, you would go in and reduce this again by changing this to $5,000 because you still have this money in the bank. So the idea of self-funding is to put money in the bank to pay for the small expenses and have it there to pay the first part of any larger expenses, thereby transferring big risk to the insurance company but keeping the small risk yourself. And that's what self-funding is all about, whether you're an employer or an individual. Again, my name's Bill Weaver, Focus Benefits Group, Phoenix, Arizona. Give us a call.
The Affordable Care Act, or ACA, passed in March of 2010 and is dramatically changing the way Americans get health insurance. This legislation includes many new rules that affect health insurance companies, healthcare providers, and consumers like you. The new law has created a whole new way to shop for health insurance, the health insurance marketplace, also called the exchange. Open enrollment began on October 1, 2013. Individuals and small businesses can shop for health plans that go into effect on January 1, 2014, through insurance marketplaces in each state. Open enrollment this first year ends on March 31, 2014. People can still purchase insurance from an insurance company or through a broker. Marketplaces simply offer a new option. Marketplaces are designed to simplify shopping for insurance. They offer consumers information on the quality of health plans. They won't sell plans that fail to meet minimum quality standards and benefit packages set by the federal government. Marketplaces organize health plans into tiers: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, based on how much of the cost customers take on. The ACA also requires insurers to justify annual price increases to the exchange board. The ACA ordered states to create marketplaces, which may be set up as state agencies, independent governmental entities, or nonprofits. Here's a rundown of what each plan level offers. Each offers essential health benefits as required by the ACA. Bronze plans offer the minimum creditable coverage. They cover 60% of costs with an out-of-pocket limit equal to the HSA law limit. That's $6,350 for individuals and $12,700 for families in 2014. Silver plans cover 70% of costs. Gold plans cover 80% of costs. Platinum plans cover 90% of costs. A special plan type covers catastrophic health costs. Restricted to the individual market, catastrophic coverage is available to those up to age 30 or who have received a hardship exemption from the marketplace or who are otherwise exempt from the mandate to purchase coverage. This type of plan has the coverage level set at the current HSA law levels, except that preventive benefits and coverage for 3 primary care visits are exempt from the deductible. The information contained in this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. For detailed information and guidance related to the Affordable Care Act, please talk to your health insurance agent or broker. You can also refer to healthcare.gov, your attorney, or your accountant. Find out more about healthcare reform by visiting our website, www.wecareforwisconsin.com, and downloading our free brochure, 9 Things You Need to Know About the Affordable Care Act.